Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Pipsticks unboxing. This is the November Classic Pro Pack and this has been on my desk for a few days. I've just been doing all the holiday errands, getting ready for the season. So I know that this one is a little holiday-ish related and I'm very excited about that. Here we have the Hippie magazine for November 2023. I love this wintertime bucket list. They always have little elements that you can like use on your journaling. There's always a note from Mo. The polls, your favorite hot cocoa toppings. So whipped cream, marshmallows, peppermint sprinkle, and all of it. And I am team all of those. And then what is your cold weather accessory of choice? Scarf, beanie, mittens, and gloves, and I'm team beanie. What are now your favorite wintertime treats are hot cocoa, gingerbread cookies, sugar cookies, and pie. And I am all the way hot cocoa. I actually would prefer coffee. But this is really cute, and this is something that maybe could be added to December daily, and I could put maybe like a little asterisk or like circle my choices. Oh, I love these pip tone colors. They're really cute. When I think that these mugs are in the kit, I'm very excited about that. Ooh, snowflake guide, and I think Charlotte would really enjoy this. And then design your own winter sweaters. That would be such a cute activity too. It would be great if they had like a bigger version. Nothing better than hot cocoa weather. And they always have something fun. Oh, here's my phone. And you just scan it with your phone. You go to the website. It's always on their blog, and this time is these tags, which are really cute. I wish they were PNG files because then I would delete the to and from, but I still love them and I can still like put photos in there. Patterns are really cute. I might print this one for real because I'm always like about to print the stuff that comes in this little magazine and then I forget. And the stickers come without the package, which I like. Find all the packaging a little bit wasteful and annoying. Oh my god, it's so wintry and cute. Okay, let's start with the nutcracker. How cute is this? Oh, I am so going to frame this and put it on my bookshelf. I love it so much. This is really, really, really cute. I think this is my favorite postcard that they ever had. After that's between this one and the one from September that was Halloween related. And this is Bring the Snow, and we just have buildings and cars and people walking around and skating. This is really cute. The theme for December is like a New York theme, and I passed on that one. It was really, really cute. I just don't think that I was gonna get much use out of that. The doggies with scarf, that's so cute. And they're called chili dogs. That's so funny. My youngest goes to something called Pause and Read, and that's like they sit down and read to therapy dogs to practice reading. Now my little one doesn't need practice reading. It's just she loves dogs and I don't want to get up and have to like walk one at 5 a.m. And this one's called All Wrapped Up, and it's one of the limited editions. Oh my god, this is so cute. I am obsessed with this. All the presents. This is too cute, and I love a sprinkle. I'm so happy that lately they're doing this thing where they fill the background with sprinkles. Oh my god, nutcrackers. I was gonna say, where's the postcard? The postcard's right behind. Uh, the first one is like the postcard, and then we have this bigger one. This is really cute because we did get nutcrackers last year, and oh, we have a few nuts. This is so cute. And I think Charlotte might bring one also this year. She just seems like a fan of. Aww. Okay, I feel like it doesn't fit the theme because it's so kawaii, but it's so cute. I love it. I love it. Snuggly unicorn vinyl. That is so cute. It looks like the game Exploding Unicorns. I think it's the name of that game. We have it. This one is Classy Conifers, and it's just florals and mushrooms and stars. Really cute. Got holly and acorns. This is really cute. And sweets, cakes, and treats. Oh, and this is so cute. We have like bread too, and this is a limited edition one. It's cute. Okay. And this one is really fun. It is a Pillar of Presence, another limited edition, and I think it's very fun. It's one whole sticker, so maybe I can put it in a like 6x8, page for like a layout. I love it. And now that I'm thinking about how to use it, I think I like it a little bit more. At first I was like, I don't know about one whole big sticker. And another limited edition, this is Housewarming. And it has like a bunch of mice and cheese and mittens and beanies. It's so cute. Okay, and then we have another limited edition, Together on the Ice, and this is really cute. We have a corgi with ice skates and snowman. Oh, a cat with a sweater. That's so funny. Love the trees. Really cute. Well, this one is so fun. It's called Larger Than Life, and it's about giant sweaters. And I'm obsessed. I like this. Is gonna be a top 3, I think, so far. Let me see. Move stuff around so it fits. Sweater. And we have this one, which is called Well Presented, and it's so cute. It's a card, a car full of presents and a Vespa and a bike, and then we have extra presents and hearts, and a few of these could be Valentine too, because there's a bunch of pink and red. Really cute. Well presented. And this one is Cold Cuts, and it's about wrapping and making snowflakes. Like this has a few cuts. I don't know if you can see it. And then it has scissors and twine, scissors, tape. Really cute. Cold Cuts. And this is the one that I was really looking forward to. I wish the background was clear, or it was like cut like these, maybe a little white. I'm apprehensive about color backgrounds. It just sometimes they seem to clash with the whole vibe of the layout. So I'm a little sad about that, but they're really cute. And like, again, the extra sprinkles, those are my favorite. The peppermint hugs, I think they're called peppermint hugs, the ones from Hershey's that are peppermint chocolate. The mugs are really cute. And the last one, which is another limited edition, is winter windows. And I love, they have done something similar with these. I have one that is like birthday related, but I am obsessed. Like, there's a kid reading, a cat looking at the TV, someone watering their plants, moving presents, playing the piano, knitting, dog in the fireplace, and a little party. I think this is so cute. So now I'm going to pick my favorites, and it's gonna be a lot easier than I thought. There's all of them are cute. Like, maybe the only one that I wouldn't bought, it's just that I feel like this one is out of like theme. It's really cute, but my very favorite one is this one, all wrapped up. Oh, and the limited editions are, I don't think they're sold outside of the kit. So you have to get the whole kit if you want it. My number 2 is going to be What's Cracking, which are the nutcrackers. It's not limited edition, so if you collect nutcrackers, you might want to get that. And my third one is going to be Larger Than Life. These are just too cute. So let me know what was your favorite. Oh, and I also loved the nutcracker. So let me know what was your favorite item. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.